Join me as I dive into the world of Lgmk stock and see if I can figure out if it's a smart investment or not. Lgmk stock has been gaining attention in the market, and for good reason. As a potential investor, you're probably wondering if it's worth adding to your portfolio. Lgmk operates in a space that's both competitive and rapidly evolving, making it essential to stay on top of its performance and prospects. The current market landscape is presenting several challenges for Lgmk. One major hurdle is the increasing competition from established players and new entrants alike. These competitors are pushing the boundaries with innovative products and services, making it tough for Lgmk to stand out. Additionally, economic factors such as fluctuating raw material costs and changes in consumer spending habits are affecting the industry as a whole. Lgmk must navigate these challenges while trying to maintain its growth momentum. Industry trends are also worth considering. The sector Lgmk operates in is subject to rapid technological advancements, which can quickly render existing products or services obsolete. This creates a sense of urgency for Lgmk to continuously innovate and adapt. Failure to do so could result in the company falling behind its peers. Another challenge Lgmk faces is adapting to shifting regulatory environments. As governments worldwide implement new policies and regulations, Lgmk must ensure it's compliant while minimizing any negative impacts on its operations. This can be a delicate balancing act, requiring significant resources and strategic planning. Furthermore, Lgmk's growth strategy relies heavily on expanding its customer base and increasing market share. However, with competitors vying for the same customers, this won't be an easy task. Lgmk will need to differentiate itself through exceptional customer service, competitive pricing, or innovative offerings. Let's take a closer look at Lgmk's financials. Recently, the company has reported steady revenue growth, which is a positive sign. However, a deeper dive into its financial statements reveals some concerns about its profit margins. They've been decreasing over the past few quarters, which could be a red flag for investors. In terms of recent news, Lgmk has announced several partnerships and collaborations aimed at expanding its product offerings and reaching new customers. These moves have been well received by the market, with the stock price responding positively. Expert opinions on Lgmk are mixed, with some analysts seeing it as a growth opportunity and others expressing caution due to the competitive landscape. Some experts point to Lgmk's strong management team and its focus on innovation as key strengths. They argue that the company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions and capitalize on emerging trends will drive its future success. However, others are more skeptical, citing concerns about the company's high debt levels and potential risks associated with its growth strategy. They recommend that investors proceed with caution and closely monitor Lgmk's progress before making any investment decisions. Based on my analysis, I believe Lgmk stock has potential, but it's essential to approach it with a critical eye. The company's growth prospects are promising, but they're not without risks. I think Lgmk is worth considering for investors looking to diversify their portfolios, but it's crucial to set clear expectations and monitor the company's progress. The data suggests that Lgmk has a solid foundation, but its future performance will depend on its ability to execute on its growth strategy and navigate the competitive landscape. As with any investment, there are no guarantees, but I believe Lgmk is worth keeping an eye on. So, is Lgmk stock a good investment? In my opinion, it's a stock worth watching, especially for those with a higher risk tolerance. The potential rewards are there, but it's essential to weigh these against the potential risks. Ultimately, I think Lgmk has the potential to deliver long-term value, but it's crucial to stay informed and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. To recap, we've covered Lgmk's market position, the challenges it faces, and its financial performance. We've also explored expert opinions in my analysis of the stock's potential. The key takeaways are that Lgmk operates in a competitive space, faces several challenges, but has a solid foundation and growth prospects. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Lgmk stock. Do you think it's a smart investment, or are there concerns that make you hesitant? Leave your comments below and let me know. Also, be sure to check out my other investment analysis videos, where I dive into other stocks and provide insights to help you make informed investment decisions.